create guides, first you have to make the ruler visible. Go to View and then click on Rulers. You can also press Ctrl and R. Now you can just drag and drop the guides from the ruler inside your image. Additionally, you can also go to View and then choose New Guide. For more complex layout grids, you have also the possibility to choose New Guide Layout. To delete the guide, just drag and drop it back to the ruler. To delete all guides, you can go to View and then click on Clear Guides. Hopefully this helps, and if you need additional information or tips and tricks, then check the description below. Good luck!